So there you go. Ramp it up by 10% and seem normal. How to improve your presentations, and it's a trick that I've learned from making videos for YouTube. I've done lots of sessions where I'm dialing in remotely to deliver training or to introduce a process or a technique. And here's the part you probably never realized. The camera steals your energy. I don't mean that in any kind of a weird witchcrafty kind of way. What I mean is your enthusiasm for the topic is reduced through this medium. So every single YouTuber you see doing any presentation, no matter how laid back and casual they seem or how hyper they seem, is deliberately adding about 10% energy to their performance. And if that's coming across to you as being normal baseline, what's actually happening there is you're seeing a corrected version because of that extra 10%. So what I'm telling you is that every time you've done a teleconference and you've been presenting anything, you've come across to the audience as lower energy than you expected. Does it matter? Yes, it does, because the people you thought were probably unengaged because they're remote and easily distracted, they do have that problem, but you're also coming across as less engaging as a result. So there you go, a lesson from someone who does YouTube videos, a little bit of insight there into our world. Amp up your energy level about 10% above normal in order for you to come across as normal. Hey, don't let my limitations stop you though. Ramp it up by 20% if you like. You'll be memorable. So there you go. Ramp it up by 10% and seem normal. If you're wondering how to get that 10%, well, get out of your seat before your presentation, bounce around on your feet a little bit, get your heart rate up, get some blood flowing, and then do your presentation. Or listen to some really upbeat music. Do whatever it takes just to get you going. Then switch that camera on and give the best presentation of your life. So anyway, let me know in the comments if this worked for you, and especially let me know if the audience seemed more engaged. Good luck, you can do it.